Hello everyone, I am going to show you how can you install and use PyTorch with a AMD graphic card. So I am going to system requirements size for ROCam. I will share this link in description. My graphic card is AMD Radeon RX 7600S. So I found it and my graphic card is supported. You will look HIP SDK, HIP SDK. We will use HIP SDK for PyTorch. If you haven't any HIP SDK support, you can try, but maybe can be work. I don't know. I don't try it. If you checked and your graphic card is supported, you can download it. I will share this link too. You will say accept and download it, but I download it, so I don't it again. Cancel, and I am going to installation folder. AMD Software Pro Edition Win 10 and Win 11 for i8 and P. I run it. Administrator. Initializing. You must download and install all of them. Yeah, so full and driver, graphic driver install, full install. I installed it, so I don't it again. Cancel. So we must download Python 3.12 torch is installed, so we can go to other one and copy and paste, enter. Already installed. So I'm going to here, and I copy it again and paste for torch vision. I already installed it, so it didn't install it. It doesn't install it. So we can check the installation. So we will type first import torch. We can see, so I will again. Yes, and we will check it by torch dot CUDA. We are using the ROCam, but they using in the CUDA. Yeah, they are put them in the CUDA class, so we will use it. Is available, and if say true, the installation was successfully, but false, you will try again install. Yeah, So our installation is complete, but we can try the CD HIP version, Torch version, and we are seeing 6.4 version. Thanks for watching and listening. I am sorry to bad language. See you later.